Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I do hope you will be in best of your health. In today's lecture, we will learn how to study limit graphically. With the help of graph, we will find various values of limit. Now, let's start about today's lecture. We will look. We will study some questions from Swokowski book. Question 31 to 40 refer to the graph to find each limit if it exists. In first part, we have to find the limit, left hand limit at x is equal to 2, and in B part, we have to find the right hand limit at x is equal to 2, and if both these limit exist, we have to find the limit at x is equal to 2. uh, in the C part we have to find the limit at x is equal to 0 left hand limit, and in D part we have to find the right hand limit at x is equal to 0, and in and uh, E part we have to find the limit at x is equal to 0. In question 21, first of all, we will find the limit, uh, left hand limit at x is equal to 2. Um, uh, X opposed to 2 negative mean we will approach the limit from values less than 2. If this is the path of the limit, we will proceed x is equal to 2. As we approach x is equal to 2, the value of function is 3. This is 1, 2, and 3, and the left hand limit at x is equal to 2 is 3. Now we will proceed the limit from right hand side, that is values greater than 2. This is the path of for values greater than x is equal to 2. If we proceed toward, if we approach toward x is equal to 2 from right hand side, we have the value of the function is equal to 1. In the graphically, we show the value of limit by open circle. As left hand limit is 3 and right hand limit is 1, a limit will exist if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Here, left hand limit at x is equal to 2 is not equal to left hand limit at x is equal to 2. So our C part will be does not exist. Now we find the D part, limit, left hand limit at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, this is the part of the function. If we approach from x is equal to 0 from left hand side, we have the value of limit, x value of the function is 2. So this is the left hand limit is equal to 2. And similarly, if we proceed values greater than x is equal to 0, we have also this is value of function x f of x is equal to 2. So right hand limit is equal to 2. As left hand limit and right hand limit both exist, so our E part, D, this is the E part, and F part will be is equal to 2. This is the limit at x is equal to 2. Now I would like to solve question number 32. First of all, we will find the limit at left hand limit at x is equal to, that is we will proceed toward x is equal to from values less than 2. If we approach from values less than 2, uh, we have the value of the function is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the value of the 4. If we proceed toward limit x is equal to 2 from right hand side, that is values greater than 2, we will have the value of the function 4. So in this case, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So our C part will be limit x approaches to f of x will be equal to 4. This is the value of the limit. Now we will find the value of limit at x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is on the y-axis all the values of x is equal to 0, but we have portion of graph at x is equal to 0 is equal to y, value of the function f of x is equal to 1. If we approach the left hand limit, that is values less than 0, we have the value of the function is equal to f of x is equal to 1. In similar manner, if we approach the limit x is equal to 0 from right hand side, that is values greater than 0, we will have the value of the function f of x is equal to 1. In this case, the left hand limit is equal to y is equal to 1, right hand limit is equal to 1. Both the limit are equal, therefore our f part will be limit x equals to 0 f of x is equal to 1. Now let's proceed to our next question. This question is the graph of the bracket function. Uh, we have to find the limit at x is equal to from left hand side, right hand side, and if both the limits exist, we have to find the limit at x is equal to c. At x is equal to 2, if we approach values from less than 2, uh, this is 2. If we approach this is the path. If we approach values less than 2, we have the value of the function is equal to 1. And if we approach x is equal to 2 greater than 2, we will have the value of the function is equal to 0. On x-axis value of f of x or y is equal to 0. This is if we put the limit x is greater than 2, we have the value of the function is equal to 0. As left hand is equal to 1 and right hand limit is equal to 0, both limit uh, are not equal, therefore our c part, that is limit x equals to f of x, does not exist. Now we will find the limit at x is equal to left hand limit at x is equal to 0. X is 0 is only at this on the y-axis x is equal to 0. If we approach the limit x approaches to 2, that is values less than 0, from less than 0, this is the less than 0, we approached x is equal to 0, we have value of function is equal to 1. If we approach from right hand side 0, uh, that is x greater than 0, we will have y is equal to 0. So left hand limit is equal to 1 and right hand limit is 0. Both limit are not equal, therefore c part will does not exist. Limit x equal to 0 f of x is equal to does not exist. Now let's proceed to our next question. This is the uh, asymptotic function. Uh, we have to find the limit at x is equal to first of all we will find the left hand limit at x is equal to 2, that is we will approach the limit from left hand side, that is the value x is less than 2. If we approach the x is equal to 2 from left hand side, the function grows uh, without bound, that is uh, value of the function will be infinity. This is the value from the left hand side. If we approach the limit from right hand side, that is values greater than 2, we will have the same case, the function grows without bounds and value of the function will be infinity. As both limit approaches to infinity, therefore c part will does not exist. Now we have to find the limit at x is equal to 0. If we approach the limit from left hand side x is equal to 0, we have value of the function at the origin. At origin, value of function is 0. This is the left hand 0, left hand value of the limit at x is equal to 0, that is values we approach the limit less than 0. If we approach the limit uh, x greater than 0, that is the right hand limit, we will have also the graph at the origin. At origin, value of the function y is equal to 0. Both left hand limit and right hand limit are equal, Therefore, our f part will be limit x equals to 0, f of x is equal to 0. So, dear student, in this lecture we have learned the limit. Uh, I demonstrate you how to find the limit with the help of graph. We have done several questions. I do hope now you can understand the concept of limit with the help of graph. So take care of yourself. Bye.